Man, I outdid myself with dinner this time. I tried a new recipe. Um, I did it with chicken, a can of cream of chicken, a little milk, rice, and green beans on the side, and this is how it looks. Really good. Hope you're all eating something yummy. I outdid it this time. Bean stock. I don't like bean stalks. Pretty good. Got the recipe off the internet. I like to try new stuff sometimes, even if it's with the same stuff that I always eat.